Install Windows 10 operating system on your Macmini device. So first I am starting my Macmini device. It's currently operating macOS Catalina. Now you can see it's booting up macOS. It's currently operating macOS Catalina. You can see it's a Macmini late 2012 processor 2.5 GHz dual core Intel Core i5. Installed memory 12 GB 1600 MHz DDR3, and the graphics Intel HD graphics 4000, and the storage device is 256 SSD installed. So now we don't need macOS Catalina, so I need to install Windows 10 operating system on it. So let's start. And this is our portable. It has the Windows 10 operating system boot file in it. So now I'm attaching it. It's a USB port. You can see here is the two drive initiated. One is the USB. It is the Windows 10 operating system boot files. So let's start. Now restart your Mac. Now press and hold Alt option on your keyboard. It's booting up. You can see is the blue light is blinking automatically. Here you can see three type loaded. One is the untitled for install inbuilt macOS Catalina, install SSD drive. Second is the Windows, and we need to choose EFI boot. Now press enter. It's booting up. You can see the blue light is blinking automatically. Yeah, it's booting. It's just starting the booting operating system. And next step, we need to choose our date and time format. Here is choose. You need to choose English India, because our time zone and region is India. English India. Now press next. Now press install now. Here is the, if you have Windows 10 product key already purchased. If not, then choose I don't have the product key. Later we need to input the product key, and here is the, you need to choose the operating system type. I choose Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. Okay, the next. Now select the terms and condition dialog box. You need to accept the terms and condition, then proceed next. Then here is the two option, upgrade or custom install. Upgrade, we need to fresh install, so we need to custom install. Advanced options, here you can see the all partition showing. Here is the EFI and the 238 GB, it's the inbuilt SSD, and these are two drive for my pen drive. And here is you need to delete this partition. Now select the second partition drive, delete, okay, and the EFI 200 MB, next, okay. Here you can see total space allocated to 38 GB. So here we need to install this operating system, Windows 10. Now select next. Now Windows 10 is installing and start it up. It's almost 16% completed, 17, 18, 19. Almost 50% completed. Uh, 80%, almost 90%, near of almost 90% completed. Yeah, Now remove the pen drive from USB port or Macmini. Now restart. Now it's first time setup in the full setup. Yeah, setup started. Almost done. Okay, now choose the region. I have to choose India by default, yes. And next, keyboard layout. By default, keyboard layout is US, United States. If you want to add another layout, though I don't need any layout, so I need to skip. Let's connect internet. So I will do it later. Uh, so now choose the continue with limited setup. Next stage, you need repeatedly. I don't have internet. Now you choose to I don't have internet. Okay, same as continue with limited setup. Now provide who uses this PC or who is the user. So just to SP. Given any name here. I SP and choose next. If you want to any password, so I don't need any password. Leave it blank. Then next. Okay, here is the privacy protection and the other devices. So now I don't need any option, so it's no. I select all the options no, then accept. Okay, here is the Cortana help you done. If you need this option, so I don't need, not now, I will set it later. it started. So finally install Windows 10 on Macmini late 2012. Here you can check, go to this PC, then select properties. Here you can check the Intel Core i5 12 GB RAM. Thank you for watching.